Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the touchscreen feedback circles in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Settings, or you can left click on the little gear icon left side. If you hover over it, it says Settings as well. Best match should come back with Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to select the ease of access tile, so go ahead and left click on that. On the left side you want to select cursor and pointer, and now there should be something that says change touch feedback, show visual feedback around the touch points when I touch the screen. If you want to turn it on, just toggle the on position, so click inside one time to turn it on. Otherwise, click inside the oval one time to turn it off. So pretty straightforward. You don't have to click on save or anything to save the change. Just close out of here, and that's about it. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.